Hi guys, welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. I am super excited today to bring an unboxing of the 7900 XT, the brand new GPU by AMD. I'd like to call them the 7800 or the 7700 XT actually, but I won't get into that. You'll have to see my reviews of this product. I've got the reviews this time first. I didn't worry about the unboxing. So here you go. Here's the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy it. Before I continue, I'd like to let you guys know I'm just a regular person just like you guys. And this costs over 1,500 Aussie dollars. And for me to save up 1,500 Aussie dollars, it takes me about a month of working full time. Just like a normal person. After I've paid bills, after I've paid all the expenses, mortgage and whatnot, to save up 1,500 to spend on this, it takes a while. So if you appreciate that, any sort of donation would really help out. Hit that super thanks button. And if you can't do that, subscribe and watch more videos. That helps out as well. But if you can do that, subscribing and watching more videos would help out as well. Okay, let's open this bad boy. Now, it'll say Asrock, but it's not as Asrock, okay? Or Asrock. It is not Asrock designed ones, so this is just a reference one. And the reason I wanted the reference one is to get a really good look at it and really suss out what I think about it. Okay, so first things first, let's look at the box. So that's the box. There is no seals whatsoever. So this is a reference card, guys. So again, don't get it mistaken for a AIB. Alright guys, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing experience and let me know what you guys want this paired up against. It's not a bad looking card, it's not that big. I'm a big fan of XFX. When it comes to AMD cards, I've got a XFX Speedster 319 Mech, which is the 6900 XT, and that just beats this card easily in size. Okay, that card is heaps bigger than this and thicker, so this is not an issue. I've also had the pleasure of looking at a Tai Chi, and the Tai Chi again is bigger than this card, so this card is not that big at all. So definitely a 7700 XT in my opinion. Alright guys, thank you for watching it to the end. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you appreciate how much hard work I'm putting into buying these and just using them and testing them. And I'm not going to keep it, I'm going to sell it, and nobody's going to buy it for $1,500, so I might lose $200, but that's per product. So for just a recent video that I'll link up top where I've tested the reference and the founders editions of the 4090, 4080 and the 7900 XT and the 7900 XTX, that alone cost me over $6,000 Australian. So well over $6,000. That's just me putting it in a ballpark. But so if you appreciate that, please do donate and watch more videos. It helps out a lot. And like, subscribe and all that stuff. Thank you so much for watching it to the end. I hope you enjoyed it. Take good care. Bye bye.